to another Power Talk with Archana. Power Talk with Archana decided to celebrate the youth of our country and children worldwide. FICCI Flow, the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce, the ladies' wing at Lucknow, to run a competition for the young entrepreneurs in collaboration with Power Talk with Archana. FICCI Flow had several entries of these young entrepreneurs, and we declared 6 winners. I have with me Aditya Chandra Gupta, a 16-year-old young boy who turned into a social entrepreneur. A student of grade 11 at Belem Boys School, he is driven by the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. He is headed to make a change by empowering women of the Julahas community of weavers at the Kashipur district in the state of Uttarakhand, India. He involves them in manufacturing sustainable repurposed bags and rugs. He loves to call his endeavor as Srijan and operates under the umbrella of this NGO called ARN. You can catch him on Instagram and his Facebook. And for his website, you will just have to wait for a little more while he gets ready to put all the things together. Let's welcome Aditya. Hello Aditya, how are you today?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you so much. Please accept my congratulations for your award as the Flow Biz Kids winner in collaboration with Power Talk with Archana.
I'm really excited to be on this interview because I also want to see how my venture grows after winning the Flow Biz Kids and the new opportunities I will get now.
Great. We are very, very happy for you, Aditya. Aditya, my audience would like to know a few things about your project called Srijan. So tell us, who inspired you? What is it that invoked you to start Srijan?
Ma'am, my mother and my sister had a very big role in helping me start this venture. Earlier on, Srijan was only focusing on the Daris, and we were only helping the Julaha community in just exporting them and just giving it to other higher NGOs so that they distributed it to other parts of the country. But when the pandemic hit, I realized that wasn't enough and we had to do more. So we started out, we did some research and we thought what else we could do with the amount of waste clothes we had. So a good idea that we had was bags. We have seen many shopkeepers in our town who have lots and lots of plastic, and the plastic menace was very much. So we decided to use the old denim clothes to make bag with us. I've even got a small sample with us right now. So this is like what a denim bag should look like. We have even put an Appen logo. Ma'am, there is this women support home in Kashipur, which is run by an acid survived victim. So, and she helps people, mainly girls, to teach them new art styles so that they can uplift themselves. So we collaborated with them and we got these insignias on our backs. We even thought about how we could contribute in the fight against COVID. So we even started making cloth masks from the waste katran or the stitching waste cloths we had.
Great. So tell me one thing, Aditya, what was your initial investment in this project?
My initial investment was around 60,000 rupees, which I had collected from family and friends in time of like a microfinancing and my parents. Then when I was deciding how much money I needed, I had to figure out how many products do I have to make with the initial investment, and how after their sale, how much revenue, how much income I will get, and if I need to borrow more or if the income I'll get will help me sustain the business. Yeah. So after calculating that, the cost came out to be 60,000.
Lovely. I think this is really amazing. You're actually going on the right path to become a good businessman. Somebody who knows about his figures, I think, is going to be really successful. Great. So how many people did you start with?
Ma'am, ARN is mainly run by my mother and me. My sister, who was also one of the founders of ARN, she is in Canada. So though she is not physically present with us, she helps us a lot in calculating the figures and making the reports, because she is in college and she has much more knowledge on this than me. Now we even have 2 more volunteers with us in ARM. And it was while working on this project with her, even I got to learn a lot about financing and a small scale operation like Srijan.
Lovely, great, lovely. So what are your future plans, Aditya, with this project?
Ma'am, I was asked this question even during the interview of the flow bills. We had planned to work with the district administration, which is centered in Rudrapur, to ask the government, get the government in this project so that they could help us market it more constructively. So since I won in the month of January, my mother and I took a trip to Rudrapur and we met the district program officer and the women development officer. So we got in touch with them. We made a plan on how we can expand the business, and we are still in the process of working things out. But the way it would work is that the government would give us orders and we'll supply it to them, these bags and these durries, because these are very useful when in disaster prone areas.
Yeah. Great, lovely. And how many products do you have as of now?
Ma'am, we have 4 products right now. The first one and the thing which started it all was our Srijan Dari. It is Chindi Dari. The local term is the Chindi Dari. It's made from scrap. It might be a bit rugged, but it is very colorful and vibrant, and you can use it as a play mat, for picnics, and even as a yoga mat. Then we had our denim bags, which we made from old discarded jeans. We even have the cloth mask, and our last product is a woolen chadar. This, like the dari, is apart not from clothes but made from old wool, which you get from normal clothes and sweaters. Yeah.
Lovely, lovely. So tell me, how many people in this Jula's community, weavers, how many weavers have got employed because of this endeavor?
Ma'am, around 70 Julaha women and 20 people at the women support home, which make these airpen motifs.
Wow, so you are actually supporting almost 90 families. I think this is really, really commendable,
Yes.
Aditya. We really, really wish you all the best. May all your dreams come true. May you really, really take this project high, soar it really high up in the sky for you to make good living for these people. I really wish you all the best. And for my audience who would like to please support, give your support to Srijan, you can reach out to Aditya. He is available on Facebook. He is also available on Instagram. And the website is definitely coming up very soon. Aditya, I wish you all the best. And again, once again, congratulations for being the Flow Biz Kids winner.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I also hope this project grows into something very useful for the coming future.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Bye.